Let's read the vent. So we start at the top left. This is the mode. This mode is PRVC. Sad face because it's the worst mode. We come to the pressure tracing. Little white lines indicate that the patient is triggering the breath. Also, when the patient triggers the breath, a little lungs will pop up at the top here on this servo U ventilator. Next is the peak airway pressure. Next is the actual respiratory rate, so what the patient's actually breathing. Below that is the minute ventilation. On the bottom row here, you have all of your settings. So FiO2, your set PEEP, your set rate, your set total volume, your set inspiratory time, the rise time, and the trigger. This is a flow trigger of 2. You move to here, and this is the O2 boost. If you need to give the patient pure oxygen for 2 minutes, you press and hold this button. Next are these arrows. These arrows indicate what RT has put in as the alarm. So the vent will start to alarm if the peak airway pressure goes above 40 here, or the respiratory rate goes above 40 or less than 5. Lastly, I want to show you the inhaled volume and exhaled volume that the vent measures.